Now, if you are smart with how you shop and what you buy, you should pretty much be able to wear the majority of your wardrobe all year round. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now, across social media right now, we are seeing an influx of autumn trends, pieces to buy this autumn. But in today's video, I want to show you 3 of the items that you probably already have in your wardrobe and how you can style them both in summer but also going into the colder months. You may just surprise yourself with the outfit possibilities that you already have sitting in your wardrobe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my 3 wardrobe staples that you probably already own and how you can style them all year round. You do not need to buy loads of new pieces to have amazing outfits as we transition into autumn and winter. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First up, and this is an absolute classic. I'm sure many of us own one of these, and of course, it's a black, simple maxi dress. This is probably one of my most worn dresses for the reason that it is so versatile. This one here that I have is by Halara. I absolutely love it. It's so flattering. It's got these really elegant, dainty spaghetti straps. It's tight around the top half of my body. But then it has this beautiful A-line that just effortlessly slides out. It covers the belly area. It moves really, really nicely. And in summer and the warmer months, I love to wear this with some platform sandals, with a nice raffia bag, with some sunglasses. But just because this may look like a summer dress doesn't mean you can't wear it going into the colder months. There are endless possibilities when it comes to styling a maxi dress, particularly if you're careful with the type of dress you buy. This one's brilliant because it's so chic and simple. It's really easy to style up with a variety of accessories, blazers, jumpers, shoes, belts. So going into autumn, there are so many ways you could style your classic maxi dress. One of the ways I like to do it is just to throw on a really nice, cozy and warm, oversized knit. You can wear it with knee boots, you can wear it with ankle boots, you can wear it with some heels. And immediately you've taken your maxi dress to a nice maxi skirt with a jumper. You're essentially getting a skirt and a dress all in one piece. And a maxi dress is such a little cheat code. If you don't want to shave your legs, you don't want a fake tan, I love a maxi dress. It's just such a great way to not put too much effort in, but to look like you put effort in. Not only can you style something like this up for daytime with a nice chunky knit, you could throw on some heels, some big earrings, and immediately you've got a nice evening dress as well. So the key with getting the most out of your wardrobe is looking at each item and asking yourself, how many ways can I style this up? Am I gonna get my cost per wear? This dress here that I have from Halara, I'm gonna link below. It's really affordable, but it's just so versatile. It actually can be worn in 2 different ways. I actually wear mine backwards, but you can also wear it in the frontward way, which has this really beautiful little detailing on the front. So it's a brilliant dress for getting so many different looks out of it. And I have mentioned Halara on here before because what I love about their pieces, they're the perfect hybrid of pieces that look tailored, but all of their pieces are actually in a sport-like material, so they're really easy to wear. They're so comfortable, and because they've got this really nice stretch to them, they're really flattering. They kind of nip you in at the right places. Like, look at the stretch on this bodice. So I always feel really, really amazing when I wear this. It's just so flattering on me, but easy to wear. Number 2, and it would not be a video of mine without including a pair of wide leg palazzo trousers. I'm wearing a pair today. I wear them all year round, and that's because they look great, they look smart, they're comfortable, they're practical, they're chic, and they're easy to style. The pair I'm wearing in the cutaway are one of my favorite pairs of trousers. I love them for a couple of reasons. The trousers I'm wearing are by Halara again, and what I love about Halara as well is they also offer trousers either in petite, regular or tall. So if you're like me and you're particularly short, or if you're particularly tall, you've got options to ensure that your trousers actually fit you properly, because that is half the battle when it comes to looking chic and put together. It's having clothing that actually fits you properly. When something doesn't fit you properly, it could be the nicest piece of clothing in the world, but if it doesn't fit right, immediately you're going to be distracted by that, and you're not going to be looking at how nice the piece of clothing is. You're going to be thinking, that's ill-fitting. What's really great about Halara is you've got options in terms of the length of the trousers. The second thing I love about them is the stretch. I've spoken about this before in another video. I will link it below for you. And the stretch just makes them so easy to wear. You don't need to iron them. You can wear them for pretty much any occasion. So in the warmer months, I love just to wear a high-waisted pair of trousers, a nice statement belt, and a cute little top, maybe a cropped blazer to add a little bit of structure. But then again, it's all about getting the most out of your clothing. So when it starts to get colder, you can put a pair of tights under your trousers, you can wear big, thick socks, and you can start to layer. You can add big, chunky knitwear, big coats. They're really such a versatile piece. You can wear them with pointed shoes to wear on a night out. You can wear them with some nice trainers and a white shirt. Once you've got a pair of trousers that you feel really good in, the styling capabilities are endless. And I have a couple of different colours of trousers. I like to go for neutral shades, greys, browns, navies, black. But once you've found the shape that you like and you feel it's flattering, all you need is one or two of those colours, and you've got so many different outfit combinations. So I've also got them in grey as well, which is a great colour because grey looks nice in summer worn with white, but moving in to winter, you can style it with navy, you can style it with black. It's all about owning these pieces that are versatile, that you love, and that can be styled throughout the season. You may have noticed one of my favourite ways to elevate an outfit is to throw on a nice statement belt. So I tend to gravitate towards trousers that have little belt loops. But before you buy anything this autumn, look in your wardrobe and have a little look at all the pieces you've got. Are there combinations that you haven't yet thought about? Because I can pretty much guarantee there probably are. And my recommendation would be to pull them all out and to have a look at the colours, which colours are going nicely together. How can you mix and match them? Once you've got everything laid out and you've seen what you've got, then you can evaluate, okay, is there something missing that I feel would complement a lot of the pieces that I already own? And don't be swayed by all of the trends that we're seeing thrown out on social media right now. You don't need to buy into trends. It's much, much better to stick to a style that you already know, you already love, that you're going to love for seasons to come. Sometimes rejuvenating your wardrobe is the matter of just buying one or two more pieces that immediately will create many, many more outfits using what you've already got. And because I know I own these trousers that I love and I feel great in, it's really easy for me then just to find little bits and bobs to pair with them, such as little tops, little jackets, little blazers. And I buy the majority of my blazers and statement pieces secondhand in charity shops. So I mix and match first hand with second hand. And in this way, my wardrobe all goes together really nicely, but it's really cost effective as well. And the final item may surprise you. Now, this is something that I think a lot of us own. And of course, it's the classic little black dress. And the LBD is a classic for a reason. And that's because it is much more versatile than you may think. Of course, it's perfect for an evening out. Throw it on with some statement heels, a cute little bag, and you look amazing. You can totally wear this in summer as well. Some sandals, a nice little raffia bag, or however you want to style it. But again, don't underestimate the ways that this could be styled going into the colder months. You can wear this with tights and boots. You can wear this with a jumper. You can wear this with a blazer, a big coat. The wonderful thing about owning simple pieces with lots of potential is that you can style them up in a range of ways. This one here again is by Halara, and I like this one a lot because it's got inbuilt shorts. I'm all about practicality. I want to look good, but I want to feel comfortable. I want my clothes to be practical and to fit in with my day-to-day life. What I particularly like about this one is the square neckline. It just gives it that slight fashion forward feel. And as winter starts to approach, I'll be styling this up with tights and knee boots. I'll be throwing it on with nice jumpers and blazers. So after you've watched this video, I want you to go to your wardrobe and have a little look at what you've got in there. Ask yourself, what do I have that I love, that I want to style up, I want to layer up as it starts to get colder? And perhaps there may be one or two pieces that you feel you could add to your wardrobe that would supplement what you've already got. Think about those foundation pieces that I've shown you today. The way I like to dress is I like to start with a foundation and then build on top of it. So very often I'll start with a little dress, my maxi dress, a good pair of trousers, and then I'll build on top of it. It makes it much less overwhelming, and it also means that if you've got some more statement pieces, like a statement blazer, It's a really easy way to incorporate those pieces into an outfit. It's very hard to start with a statement piece and build around that. But if you start with something simple, something that you love, something that fits you nicely and it's comfortable, it's then really easy to build on top of it and to style it based on the season. So those there were my 3 wardrobe staples that I think the majority of us already have in our wardrobe, and how you can style them up throughout the seasons all year round so that you feel chic, but you also feel like you're getting the most out of your wardrobe. I will leave everything that I've shown you down below. I also have a discount code if you're interested. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you love luxury for less shopping tips and style tips in general, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post every single week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!